What gets me up in the morning is not to come in and sell insurance, it's to help people.
While Wells Insurance started as a small family business in 1920, it has grown into a successful fourth-generation Wilmington landmark that continues to share its tradition of family values while staying ahead of the curve with its vision for the future.
If I can help you or if I can help somebody, that's what I'm going to do. And that's what I enjoy doing. I want everybody here to be able to help people. And so I guess that feeds into the insurance business where you help people cover their liability or cover their property or cover the exposure that they may have.
I've worked in large corporate environments, and I've also worked in the mom and pop type shops. And I feel that Wells has kind of a best of both worlds.
All of the benefits of large corporations we have in a 85 employee, family-owned local business.
In keeping with the times and with the ever-changing insurance landscape, Wells has created a culture of trust and doing things the right way, the Wells way.